In the intricate dance of dating, mastering the steps can be both exhilarating and daunting. For women seeking to navigate the terrain of romance with confidence and grace, understanding the nuances of courtship is essential. While each romantic encounter is unique, there are foundational principles that can serve as guiding lights in the journey of love. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve deep into the art of dating, exploring strategies to foster meaningful connections, communicate effectively, and cultivate fulfilling relationships. From the initial spark of attraction to the intricacies of maintaining a healthy partnership, this guide aims to empower women to navigate the complexities of modern romance with poise and authenticity. Chapter 1: Embracing Your Authentic Self. Before embarking on the quest for love, it is crucial to first embrace and celebrate your authentic self. In a world that often pressures individuals to conform to societal expectations, staying true to your values, passions, and quirks is paramount. This chapter will explore the importance of self-discovery, self-love, and self-confidence in laying the foundation for healthy relationships. From uncovering your passions to embracing your unique qualities, embracing your authentic self is the first step towards attracting genuine connections. Chapter 2: Cultivating Confidence and Presence. Confidence is undeniably attractive, yet cultivating it can be a journey of self-discovery and growth. This chapter will delve into strategies for building confidence and cultivating presence, both essential elements in the art of dating. From mastering body language to developing a positive mindset, confidence radiates from within and captivates those around you. By embracing your worth and exuding self-assurance, you will naturally draw others towards you in the dating landscape. Chapter 3: Navigating the First Date. The first date sets the stage for potential romance, making it a pivotal moment in the dating journey. This chapter will explore strategies for navigating the first date with grace and ease. From setting intentions to fostering engaging conversations, creating a positive first impression is key. By embracing kindness, warmth, and genuine curiosity, you can create a welcoming atmosphere that invites connection and sets the stage for future interactions. Chapter 4: The Art of Communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships, and mastering this art is essential in the realm of dating. This chapter will explore the intricacies of communication, from active listening to expressing your needs and boundaries. By cultivating open, honest communication, you can foster understanding, build trust, and navigate challenges with grace. Whether it's expressing your desires or navigating disagreements, clear communication lays the foundation for lasting connections. Chapter 5: Building Meaningful Connections. At the heart of dating lies the desire for meaningful connections that enrich our lives. This chapter will delve into strategies for building authentic connections with potential partners. From asking thoughtful questions to actively listening and showing genuine interest, fostering connection goes beyond surface-level interactions. By embracing vulnerability, empathy, and authenticity, you can create deep, meaningful bonds that transcend the superficial. Chapter 6: Embracing Vulnerability and Authenticity. Vulnerability is often perceived as a weakness, yet in the realm of dating, it is a profound source of strength and connection. This chapter will explore the power of vulnerability and authenticity in fostering genuine relationships. By embracing vulnerability, you invite others to see the true essence of who you are, fostering intimacy and trust. From sharing your hopes and fears to embracing imperfections, vulnerability paves the way for authentic connections that stand the test of time. Chapter 7: Nurturing Healthy Boundaries. Healthy boundaries are essential in any relationship, serving as a framework for mutual respect and self-care. This chapter will explore the importance of establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries in the dating landscape. From identifying your needs and limits to communicating them effectively, boundaries empower you to honor your well-being while fostering healthy relationships. By setting clear boundaries and respecting those of others, you create a foundation for mutual respect and understanding. Chapter 8: Embracing Self-Care and Well-Being. Self-care is a cornerstone of well-being, and prioritizing your physical, emotional, and mental health is essential in the dating journey. This chapter will explore strategies for practicing self-care and nurturing your well-being amidst the ups and downs of dating. From cultivating mindfulness to engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, self-care empowers you to show up as your best self in relationships. By prioritizing your well-being, you cultivate resilience and radiate positivity in the dating landscape. Chapter 9: Embracing Growth and Evolution. As you navigate the journey of dating, growth and evolution are inevitable and essential components of the process. This chapter will explore the importance of embracing change, learning from experiences, and evolving as an individual. From reflecting on past relationships to embracing new opportunities for growth, each encounter offers valuable lessons that shape your journey. By embracing growth and embracing change, you empower yourself to embrace the full spectrum of the dating experience and continue evolving into the best version of yourself. Chapter 10: Embracing Diversity in Dating. In the diverse landscape of modern dating, embracing differences and celebrating diversity is essential. This chapter will explore the importance of openness and inclusivity in forming connections with individuals from diverse backgrounds. From embracing different cultural perspectives to honoring varying beliefs and values, cultivating an open mind fosters empathy and understanding in relationships. By embracing diversity, you enrich your dating experience, broadening your horizons and fostering connections that transcend boundaries. Chapter 11: Navigating Online Dating. In the digital age, online dating has become a prevalent avenue for meeting potential partners. This chapter will delve into strategies for navigating the world of online dating with confidence and authenticity. From creating an authentic profile to engaging in meaningful conversations, navigating online platforms requires intentionality and discernment. By embracing authenticity and maintaining clear communication, you can navigate the nuances of online dating while fostering genuine connections in a digital landscape. Chapter 12: Overcoming Dating Challenges. The journey of dating is not without its challenges, and navigating obstacles with resilience and grace is essential. This chapter will explore common challenges encountered in the dating landscape, from navigating rejection to managing expectations. By embracing resilience and cultivating a growth mindset, you can overcome setbacks and learn valuable lessons that shape your journey. From maintaining a positive outlook to seeking support when needed, facing challenges with courage empowers you to grow and evolve in the dating landscape. Conclusion: the journey of dating is a dynamic and transformative experience, offering opportunities for self-discovery, growth, and connection. By embracing authenticity, cultivating confidence, and fostering meaningful connections, you can navigate the complexities of modern romance with grace and intentionality. From the initial spark of attraction to the evolution of deep, fulfilling relationships, the art of dating is a journey of self-discovery and connection. As you embark on this adventure, remember to stay true to yourself, communicate openly, and embrace the beauty of vulnerability. With each step, you empower yourself to create the love and connection you deserve in life.